Welcome back to our channel. Today we'll be teaching how to make this super easy origami heart. Want to build it? Let's get started.
For this project, you can use any square sheet of origami or printer cut square, and you're just going to fold it into thirds. So you just start folding into thirds. And then crease this really good. And if you know how to rip, you can rip this here or cut it. And once you can do one, just cut one. And once you do that, it'll look like this. Like this. So just start ripping or cutting. And you only need one of these. And the others, you can make more hearts. So start off color side up and fold in half. Crease well. And then here's this cool part. If you fold this down like this, and then you open it up, it becomes this. Now you're just going to flip it over, and to make this like heart shape, you're going to fold this down, turn it this way and fold this down, turn it this way and fold this down, turn it this way and fold this down, like this. Increase this right here, and then if you want to, if this gets in your way, you can just open it up and pinch it, increase it right here, like this, and fold it in half right here and hold it like this, increase it this way, and now you can just hold it like this, and you're done.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Turn on your notifications to never miss more of our latest videos, and we'll see y'all next time.